On the 2nd of April is the big day. We call it a big day because why are we calling it a big day? A great master died. It's strange to call a person's death as a big day and to celebrate it. It's very strange that a man dies and instead of grieving over it and saying, sorry, he's dead, we can't see him, we are celebrating it and calling it Bandara, which means abundance. Abundance of what? Great Master Baba Sawan Singh died, left his body on the 2nd of April 1948. Since then, every year we've been celebrating his Bandara. I celebrate the Bandara for my experience. When he was alive, I had a very hard time to meet him. There's so many people trying to meet him. I had to got my name registered for an appointment with him. And there was a lady there, very strong, well-built. She could frighten any man. And she was the one who had to let you go in. We couldn't always see him. After 2nd April, we could see him every day. We didn't realize it. And he said so. He says, if you are able to have the dhyan, the contemplation of your master during meditation while he is alive, and you talk to him in meditation while he is alive, that very form of his becomes the radiant form which stays with you forever. And while he is alive, you want to go see him physically, because that's the physical reality you live in. When he's not physically there, then you want to remember him. And remembering is taking place inside. The radiant form appears and you are in contact with him all the time. That's why we celebrate that he has not gone. People thought he died, therefore he's gone. For those who we initiated and who had his radiant form, he never went. And he talks even more as more of a friend. He plays around with us. He's a real friend. That you can't find a better friend like that. You can't find a better friend than a perfect living master who initiates you. I can tell you that. You can't find a better friend. And that's why we celebrate. He celebrated the Bandara of his master on 29th of December. On 29th of December was the anniversary of the death of his master, Baba Jaimal Singh. And that's the day he had a huge feast. He celebrated with everybody. Huge feast. That master still here. I can talk to him. And for a private conversation, if you want to talk something private, he would have a small little hut. It was actually 2 huts in which his master lived, and around that he built his own house, in which he lived in the Dera. He would go into that one of those small closets, which was the original closet, and go there, sit there, and talk private things, few private things. He was a good friend. You can talk private things to a friend. Twice it happened that he took me along. 2 times. I can never forget that. I had never seen tears in his eyes, except on remembering his master once in that little closet. Big thing. The Bandara is something that really brings us back into the reality of our relationship with our master. And that is why, for me, the 2nd of April means a lot. And when you come and join me, it's joining me in my celebration of that very great master, the greatest. What he gave, never seen anywhere. So that is why I call him not only great master, greatest master. And on 2nd of April, I'll be meeting some of you who come there to see me. And as in every year, he'll be so visible that not only I'll see him, many of you will see him. That's great, that you'll be able to see somebody, and it's a great experience. And he will bless like nobody's got blessings before. I've seen that myself every year since 1948.